Today we've got an activity from our Blues Clues book. Today's activity is shadow match. We need to find the shadow that matches Blue. So first, let's look at Blue's face. His face is down low with his paws. See, it's the same level at the bottom. And his ears are both up and to the left side, over here. So let's see. The first one, A, has Blue's face down low, and his ears are both up and to the left. B has his face down low again, and both his ears are up and to the left. And in C, his face is low again, and his ears are up and to the left. So we know that all three of them match for his paws and his head and his ears. So now if we look at the back half, we should have one paw with his bum up in the air and his tail off to the left, just like his ears are. So in A, he's got one foot back there with his bum up in the air and his tail going off to the right. We need it to go off to the left. So it's not A, his tail goes the wrong way. In B, he's got one paw and his bum is in the air, but no tail. And his tail needs to go up and to the left. So it's not B, the tail's all wrong. So it should be C. Let's check. He's got his one paw, his bum is in the air, and his tail goes up and to the left, just like it should. C is our answer. C. Good job! You helped me get the right one. Now let's color in blue. I need to grab my blue pencil, and I'm going to color in all his spots first. What shape is this spot on Blue's ear? It's a circle. See how it's round like a ball, but it's not stretched out like an egg is? That means it's a circle. If it's stretched like an egg is, that means it's an oval. But these ones are circles. And we can't forget this spot right on his head and the bottom of his ear. And now this side of his face has one, and one right back here on his bum. He's also got one more back here on his leg. How many spots did Blue have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We had 8 spots on Blue that needed to be colored in today. Good thing we got those all colored in. And we don't want to color behind Blue. We're going to use a different color for that, so we're going to be very careful about coloring inside all our lines. And we can go over our spots. That way, his spots are a little bit darker than the rest of him, just like they're supposed to be. And I'm going around his nose because his nose is a darker blue than his spots are. And since his nose is an even darker blue than his spots, I'm going to use a different blue color when we color those in. Because it can't make this blue color darker than these spots unless I press down really hard and break my pencil. And if I break my colored pencil, I can't color anymore. So I'm always gentle when I do my coloring. All the way around his big floofy ears. I bet his ears are the softest. And now we need our darker blue for his nose. Just like that. See, that's like a completely different blue color. But it's the right color for us to use on his nose. So we used 2 blue colors to color in blue. 2 blue colors. B, L, U, E. Blue. Blue was the first color we used, but we used 2 different shades of blue. So blue is going to get written down as our second color because it's our first and second color today. Now I need a white one to color in Blue's eyes. Just like this. Because our paper is not white for Blue, it's a little brown. And then we're done using our one white color. W H I T E. White. So blue was our 2 colors. 2 plus 1 white color equals 1, 2, 3. 3 is one number bigger than 2. That means 2 plus 1 equals 3, and white is our third color today. Now, let's use a new color. I want to use this one. This one is a green color called chartreuse green. It looks like the same kind of color that you might find at a glow-in-the-dark place. Like it's a glow-in-the-dark green. Maybe like at a putt-putt golf, where they have glow-in-the-dark colors. Or maybe it's like when you get a glow stick and you can crack open your glow sticks and shake them up, and then you get this green one. That's what this green reminds me of. Have you ever used glow sticks? Or does this green make you think about a different color? Maybe for you, it reminds you of something much different than it does for me. And we used it to fill in all our letters. S, H, A, D, O, W, N, A, T, C, H. Shadow match. And that is our one green color. G, R, E, E, N. Green. White was our third color. 3, because we used 2 blue colors and 1 white color. So our 2 blues plus our 1 white made white our third color. Now we need to add those 3 colors to our 1 green color. So we need one number bigger than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the next number. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Green is our 4th color because 4 is one number bigger than 3. 4 colors now today. Now all we have left is the background. And I think today I'm going to use this one. This one is called goldenrod. This color is an orange that's supposed to look like gold. Gold is a yellow color that's shiny. I think this color is just more like an orange than a gold. I think gold should be more shiny than this is. This looks almost like a penny, which is copper. Maybe that's what they should have called this one, is copper. And I'm going all the way around and just being careful that we don't color in blue with this color by accident. We don't want to do that. That would be an oopsie. And so far, we've done a good job. So we're gonna keep on being careful about our colors and not try to mix them up. Now I can be wild and color in all the outside really fast. But I don't need to go outside the borders. That's too crazy. We can stay inside our borders and get it all done. There's so much space that it's flattening out my pencil point. So I have to make sure I sharpen my pencils before I put them away. Every day when I'm done coloring with my colored pencils, I sharpen them and then I put them all away. But I make sure I sharpen them all first, which is part of the reason I set them over here each time we're done with one. That way I know which ones need sharpened. But now I think we're all done with this goldenrod color that I think we're going to call copper. One copper color. C-O-P-P-E-R. Copper. And that's the color of pennies. Green was our fourth color. 4 colors. Plus my one copper color means we count up one more number than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number is one more number. 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Copper is our 5th color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 C-O-L-O-R-S. 5 colors. And now we are all done. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did today coloring from our Blues Clues Jumbo Coloring and Activity Book. We colored in an activity page today. We colored in blue in a shadow match where we had to figure out which one of these 3 shadows is the same as blue. And today that was C in our little box over here. Wasn't that a fun one? I sure think so. So until next time, keep coloring on your paper. Make sure you put your colors away when you're done. And that way, we can keep on coloring next time. Until then, bye-bye!
Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe down below.